Alrighty, good morning, boys and girls. So we have our DOL for today. So as you might notice at the top of the screen, there is a new set of instructions in red. Excuse me, I still have a cough. It says, please type sentences 1 and 2 out correctly. So you could just type them out. Me personally, I think I might want to go through and look and find my mistakes first before I type it. But it's up to you how you want to do it. So how big are Walter's foots? Well, that sounds weird. H in how needs to be capitalized because it's the beginning of the sentence. How big are Walter's? Walter is someone's name. It's a proper noun. W in Walter needs to be capitalized. Walter's, it shows ownership, so I need apostrophe S. It's a possessive noun. You don't say foots, you say feet. Feet. Ooh, I need to make that a little bit smaller. Feet. And then we need a question mark at the end, interrogative sentence. Now, at the top, you'll notice it says, please type sentences 1 and 2 out correctly. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to touch the T. I'm going to click right there, and I'm going to type it out correctly. How big are Walter's, apostrophe, oopsies, Walter's feet, and question mark. Oopsies. You do shift, question mark. Okay? Now, since it's down there, it kind of looks weird, so I can bring it up here. There we go. How big are Walter's feet? Number 2. Open your umbrella before it begin to rain. Alrighty, I'm going to fix this real quick because that's kind of too big. I need to make it a little bit smaller. There. Alright, so open your umbrella before it begin to rain. The O in open needs to be capitalized because it's the beginning of a sentence. Open your umbrella before it not begin to rain, but it begins. I'm going to write it up here. Begins to rain. And it's a period sentence. Now, we can have a period or an exclamation point, but either way, it is not a declarative sentence or an exclamatory sentence. What sentence is it? Think about it. Open your umbrella before it begins to rain. It is a command or an imperative sentence. Ooh. That always kind of makes it a little bit tricky. So now I'm going to type it. So, capital O, open your umbrella before it begins to rain, period. Okay? There we go. And I'm going to put it up here on my line. There we go. Name 2 words in the own family. All right, so you can either type it or write it. I'm going to type it because it makes it easier. So own. So let's see. It could be own or own, like town. But whichever one you choose, it needs to, both words need to have the same sound. Let's see. I'm going to go with down and town and, brown. And I can't think of any more right now. So I'm sure you guys came up with a lot more. Okay, next thing. Which words are nouns? All right, we got to think. What is a noun? What is a noun? Think about it. Say it out loud. What is a noun? A noun names what? A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. All right, so we have sing, jelly, sweet, sheep. All right, now it says words. So that means there's going to be more than one answer choice. So sing, jelly, jelly is a noun. Sweet, nope. Sheep is a noun. All right, so what would sing be? What part of speech? If you sing, it's an action. It is a verb. And then sweet, right here, sweet, what kind of word is that? Sweet is an adjective. It tells more about a noun. All right, number 5, what will happen next? Mother hen sat on her eggs until the shells cracked. So what will happen next? She threw away the shells. Her chicks came out of the shells. She ate the shells. Which one do you think it would make logical sense that she would do? I think it would be B. Her chicks came out of the shells. All right, there you go. So those are the answers to numbers 1 through 5 on today's DOL. So check your work. Make sure you understand each part. I'll be back here tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye.